Hi everyone. So today we are going to Japan Food Export Expo, obviously in Japan. uh, so I actually don't really know what this expo is about, but I'm really curious and I love food. Obviously, everyone does. So we got our badge and we're going to see what's inside. Okay, so the floor map. Let's see. I was upstairs and I saw that there's a lot of food, and I'm really curious. Wow, international. So I think this expo is for those of you who wanted to import Japanese stuff like Japanese ingredients, matcha. Oh, I heard there's a lot of matcha here. You know, matcha is like trending right now. So a lot of people here, I bet, are selling or how should I say, exhibiting matcha. Pretty cool. I have never been to any expo in Japan, so this is pretty cool if you ask me. Oh, so this is green peas, but my mom really like it. So there's a lot of free samples. Of course, you can sample them first and buy from them, get their contact, of course, so you can quickly and simply send them to your country. Nice. Ramen, lots of ramen. I think this is a lot of noodles. That's nice, nice. Whoa, Fujiya Honten. There's a lot of really cool snacks. So Kit Kat, Furuta. What is this so cute? Milk. That's really. I like the Japanese packaging design. They're really cute. Brown rice noodles. I think this is like some kind of handmade sauce. Really nice. Oh, look, there is like a yuzu and lemon extract here. That's really cool. So if you want to make some drinks, you can just use the extract, mix it with water or soda. That's very convenient. Whoa, strawberries. Look at that. They got strawberry koji. This is life enzyme beauty. Oh my god, this is so interesting. I actually want to buy this. I don't think they are selling here. I think they're just exhibiting here, just showing their products. So cool. Zero sugar, no heat, strawberry. Whoa. If you like alcoholic drinks, I think this is called gin.
あと焼酎を使っても
ひなた、ヒベスコ、亀しずく、ジン、Japanese gin.
商材はどうなの？
You can import from Japan very easily from this expo. Really cool. Lots of snacks. More snacks. Pistachio, sakura, maple, almond, candy. Wow, that's really cool. Look at that. Guys, you can scan this QR code if you want to know more about this food. See, lots of matcha. Whoa, look at that. That wagyu. I don't know if that's fake or real, but that's really beautiful. Organic. World's first organic Wagyu. You guys want to
来年に認証が取れます。
import this
なのでもう
Eda livestock
申請は終わ
scan
って
this.
そのスタンプハンコがこれオーガニックだよってハンコをするのが来年の2月。まあほら一番
Guys, look at that.
虾属。
Like that is how big this event is. A lot of participants, a lot of vendors. Look at that. Oh, apparently they have, I think, beauty items too. Well, I have seen some beauty items earlier. So yeah. So we're here. Actually, I'm not really have any business in particular that I wanted to, buy. But I'm open to opportunities, Who knows? Maybe there's like really nice Japanese product that I can import to my country. Let's hope for the best. Oh my god, there's someone selling, not selling, but they're sharing ice cream samples. Whoa. Look, there is a cow. So cute. Vietnamese food. Oh, I forgot to mention, there's actually other countries that are exhibiting their local food, like Indonesia, as I shown earlier. There's South Africa. I saw India, and I guess this is from Vietnam. Yeah, so like this, it's not only Japanese food. There's other foods as well. Oh, there's Indonesia here. Oh, look at that. What items are they selling? Turf, chocolate, Monesco. I think these brands are not really famous actually. But I think they are like very small local brand which the government is trying to boost, Feels like coming back home. Look, all this is free sample. Guys, so we ended up eating a lot of samples because there's crazy amount of samples here. Like we're supposed to be eating lunch, but we don't have to, I guess, at this point. There's like honey, tea, coffee, matcha, peanuts, everything. Like there's just a lot. So that is awesome. There's also a lot of shipping companies exhibiting here in this event. So if you're like wondering, okay, I wanted to import Japanese product, but like how to send it to my country, don't worry, there's a lot of shipping companies here. So yeah, you can go and ask around, like it's fine. See, there's a lot of people sharing free samples. I think they are also sharing alcoholic beverages here. Oh, by the way, lots of them, I've asked around, lots of them, they do not sell whatever products that they are exhibiting. They are just here to exchange contacts, and if you wanted to source from them, then that's how it is. Like they are only selling in big bulks. They're not selling like per packs for each person, See, a lot of matcha, lots of matcha. Guys, what is this? It's like really sharp thing. I don't know what is it called. If any of you knows, let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, that's all the adventure for the Japan International Food Export Expo. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.